In this video, I will discuss about future value of annuity. What's future value of an annuity? The future value of annuity refers to the amount of money deposited in annual or semi-annual or monthly installments to receive a specified amount of money at the end of a specified period of time in the future. The future value of annuity method is used to determine how much money will be received at the end of the term if an equal amount of money is deposited in installments at a specified interest rate in a bank or in a financial institution for a specified period of time. Future value of annuity is of two types, viz. Future value of an ordinary annuity and future value of an annuity due. To calculate the future value of an annuity, one must know the annuity payment amount, number of periods, and projected rate of return. Let's go to the Excel sheet to see a live demo. You can see on the screen payment, interest rate, and number of periods were provided. For calculating future value of an annuity, as first we have to put equal sign, then type FB. Double tap on it to see the function. Then click on C4 cell for interest rate, put comma, then click on C5 cell for number of periods, put comma, type minus, and then click on C3 cell for payment, put comma. As there is no present value, so type 0, put comma, type 0 to show the end of the period, close the bracket and press the enter key. As you can see, the future value of annuity is shown $2,561,089.57. Thanks for watching the video.